guys, welcome back to my channel. Our channel Beauty Made Easy has reached 70,000 subscribers. Guys, this is huge. 70,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for your love and support towards our channel, guys. Thank you so much from my bottom of my heart. Thank you. So by the way, I'm not wearing a sari, guys. This is my top. I bought this during my college days and I used it so much and I love this top. I love this top so much. I love this design. I did not see any top which has this kind of a design, something like a sari, but this is actually a top, not a sari. So whenever I wear this, people are like, are you wearing a sari? Though the bottom is not going to be there, but the top looks like a sari, and I love this top. It's old, it's faded, but still I wanted to wear it in my channel. So that's it for this. And on the personal note, I did took a break from my work because my dearest Chittappa, my uncle, passed away due to corona, and I did took a break from my work. So I just wanted to request something to you guys. Please do not attend any public gatherings. Yes, please do not attend any public gatherings. Be it a family member's wedding or be it a family member's function or a meeting. Do not attend any public gatherings, especially if you're old. If you're more than 50 years of age, please do not attend. Please make sure that your parents do not attend any public gatherings. Please guys, this is just a request from me to my lovely subscribers. Do not attend public gatherings, and also do not get worried thinking of like, if I don't attend the wedding, what she will think, what the family member will think, what this aunt will think, what this uncle will think. No guys, no, please do not attend public gatherings, especially if you're 50 years and above. If you are a youngster and wanted to attend a public gathering, do not eat food there. Do not remove your mask and eat food there. Okay, so please be very careful of COVID. This is really, I'm not going to talk more about that. Let's move on to the video. So I asked my best friend to suggest video topics for our channel, and she told that she was searching for a face pack that could reduce her acne spots. That is the post-acne spots. She wanted to reduce the dark spots with an homemade DIY face pack, and I thought, let me do it for you, and also my subscribers would love to hear it, and I thought let me share the recipe with you guys so that so many of you can benefit from it. So let's move on to the recipe. I know acne are frustrating. When acne is gone, when acne become inactive, it leaves a dark spot. It leaves a dark brown spot or a dark spot onto the skin. This is like the postpartum of acne. The after effects of acne. I know acne are already frustrating, and these dark spots are even more frustrating. The acne mask can take a lot of time to get reduced by itself. A lot of time, guys. By following a simple homemade face pack, this could fasten the process and also reduces the appearance of the acne spots, and also make sure that your skin is clear and glowing. So let's move on to the recipe. Take a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of multani methi or fuller's earth powder to it. You can get multani methi powder anywhere, but if you wanted to buy this online, I will leave the link in the description box. I bought mine from vedaoils.com. Add 2 teaspoons of the multani methi powder to the bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to it. Squeeze the lemon and take 1 teaspoon of juice from it and add it to the face pack. And I got a comment from my previous video asking whether you can add the concentrated lemon juice or the lemon juice, the bottled lemon juice that you get in the market. Somebody asked me whether they can add that in the face pack. No, please do not do that. Just add freshly squeezed lemon juice to your face pack. Now add a pure rose water to the face pack. I'm adding the Kama Ayurveda pure rose water. If you don't have this pure rose water, you can also add rose hydrosol water that is available in the market for like 50 rupees or 100 rupees, you can also add that, no problem. But if you wanted to add the pure rose water, I guess only few brands in the market makes the purest form of rose water by using the steam distilled method. I think the brands are Kama Ayurveda, Forest Essential and Vilva. I will leave the links in the description. If you wanted to purchase the pure rose water, you can also purchase that. Add adequate amount of rose water to make it a paste. The consistency should be not too thick and not too thin. It should be somewhere in middle, like a paste consistency. So make sure that you add rose water according to that. Don't make the face pack too runny in consistency, or don't make it too thick like a tightening face pack. Let it be like a paste, not too runny or not too thick. So mix it well and apply this onto your face. Mix the face pack really well until the ingredients are well combined and apply this onto your skin. Leave the area around your eyes and apply this face pack. You can apply this face pack around your mouth, but just leave the area around the eyes and apply the face pack and let the face pack sit for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash your face with normal water, just normal running tap water. You don't need any hot, warm or chilled water to wash your face with. You just need normal running tap water. Wash your face with that and come back. Multani Mitti is known to fight acne and pimples. Even if the acne is gone, it may come back. But Multani Mitti prevents the acne from coming back again and again. Multani Mitti is known to fight against acne and pimple. It also controls the excess of sebum and oil production, meaning that it prevents the acne from coming back again and again. So I have an oily skin and all my friends ask me, you say you have an oily skin, but you don't seem to have any acne or pimples or spots. And I'm like, I'll use a secret face pack. Do check out my channel for that. And the secret is out, guys. This is the face pack that I used during my college days, during my school days, especially during those teen days where you get those pimples, red bumpy pimples. I used this and I got it clear. And this face pack should be applied like twice or thrice in a week. If you are a dry skin, apply this face pack twice in a week, and if you have an oily skin, apply this face pack thrice in a week. The rest of the day you can continue with your regular face packs. Make sure that you apply any face pack at home, any DIY homemade face pack will definitely work. Lemon juice naturally contains vitamin C. You guys know what vitamin C does. It takes care of your aging, it takes care of your fine lines, it takes care of your spots. It makes the skin clear and glowing. What the lemon juice in the face pack does is, it reduces the appearance of dark spots that are left by pimples. And also it makes sure that your skin is clear and blemish free. Continuous application of this face pack will give you glowing skin. Rose water tones the skin. It calms and soothes the skin from irritation. Mix all the ingredients together, apply this on your face, let the face pack sit on for 20 minutes. After that, wash your face with just water. Do not use any soap or any face wash to wash this face pack off. Do not use anything, just use water, just normal running tap water to wash the face pack off, okay? So this is what you should do to get your acne spots decreased really fast. I hope this video is informative and you enjoyed watching this video. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is me, Deepti, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.